In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Calendar for a group. This is really useful if you're organizing a team, a club, a family schedule, or any group that needs to stay on the same page. I'll walk you through each step, from creating the calendar to sharing it with the right people. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for this group calendar. You should see your main calendar view, usually showing your week or month. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Other Calendars. Right next to that heading, there's a small plus icon. Click on that plus icon. This opens up a menu of options for adding new calendars. From the menu that appears, choose Create New Calendar. This takes you to a new page where you'll set up the basic details for your group calendar. At the top of this page, you'll see a box where you can type in the name of the calendar. Choose a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what it's for, like Project Team Schedule or Family Events. A good name makes it easier to find in the sidebar later. Just below the name, there's a space for a description. This part is optional, but it can really help your group. You might explain what kinds of events belong here, who should use the calendar, or any simple rules, like only add confirmed meetings. Keep it short but informative. Once you're happy with the name and description, scroll down and click on Create Calendar. Google will take a moment to create it. After it's done, you'll see a confirmation and your new calendar will appear in the list on the left. Now, in that left-hand column, find the calendar you just created and click on it. This will open the settings page for that specific calendar. On the settings page, look for the section that lets you share the calendar. Click on Add People and Groups. A box will pop up where you can type in the email address of someone you want to invite. Start typing their email, then click on it when it appears in the list. Repeat this process for each person you want to add to the group calendar. When you've added everyone, click Send. They'll receive an email invitation, and once they accept, they'll be able to see and use the shared calendar with you.